Welcome to Zero Day Swag. I'm your narrator and your plastic accountability buddy. Call me Toy Soldier Sarcastic Specialist. Around here, we break down every guard MOS like it's a tactical loadout, minus the sugar coating, no fluff, no recruiters in polos, just the truth. Let's see what this one's made of. 91L, construction equipment repairer. If it's heavy, loud, and leaking hydraulic fluid, it's probably yours. This MOS is all about keeping the Guard's construction fleet alive. Bulldozers, dump trucks, power shovels, and anything else that breaks when you really need it. You'll learn to tear down and rebuild engines, hydraulics, brake systems, transmissions, the full maintenance gauntlet. You're the reason the dozer digs, the grader grades, and the convoy doesn't stall out on mile 2. Training is 8 weeks at Fort Leonard Wood after basic. You'll spend time in the shop, in the field, and under a hood that's probably still hot. If you're the one everyone calls when the equipment won't start, welcome to 91L. You'll be turning wrenches in the middle of nowhere, troubleshooting gear that weighs more than a house, and keeping operations moving when everything else wants to break. Whether it's hauling, digging, or grading, none of it happens without you. And on the civilian side, you're lined up for jobs in heavy equipment, construction fleets, diesel shops, and anywhere that relies on big machines to do real work. 9-1 Lima, when the timeline's tight and the equipment fails, they don't wait, they call you. Got questions? Ask your recruiter. Don't be weird about it, you're fine. That's one MOS explainer vid down. Many more to go. You're either in the squad or your background noise. Check the rest of the playlist. Pick your chaos. 0 Day Swag's got an MOS explainer for it. Oh yeah, like and hit subscribe. Or don't, I'm just a toy. If you're still here, enjoy. Yeah, this track slaps. You're welcome.